Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arco, myself Arnab Kundu. Today's topic on QBasic, and
This is my another video on QBasic.
and today I will discuss the other operators which are relational operator and also the logical operator. I will discuss step by step in QBasic programming language. Okay, so go to the computer screen. Through QBasic IDE I will discuss this operator, and when we use this operator, these operators can use in condition. So today I will also discuss the condition statement like if, then, else, and if, right? So go to the computer screen for today's video. So let's dive in. So friends, I'm just within the QBasic IDE, and here I will discuss today the two other different operators which is present in QBasic programming language. One is relational operator, other is logical operator. Actually the relational operator is like that, whatever is given within the screen, the less than, greater than, less equal, greater equal, not equal, and equal, right? And what are the logical operator? Only three logical operators are there. One is and, or, and not, right? And these are actually used within a condition. In my previous video I have described the particular case for arithmetical operator like plus, minus, division, etc., etc. And this is the operator which are used as a condition. Both are used as a condition. One is relational, other is a logical. And where we can use this? We can use within a conditional statement. So today I will discuss within this QBasic IDE a program where we define our code conditional statement within this QBasic program. Okay, so we just write here at first, just write suppose rem conditional statements, right? And suppose we use here CLS, we already know that, and then suppose we assign some value. So just write let a equal 10, let b equal 5, and suppose let c equal 20. These three variables we are using here. Now we use here if else. So just write here if, and we checked a condition a greater than b, then suppose we print here, for example print, suppose we write here as a print sum equal, put semicolon, and just print within a bracket a plus b, right? And else, if it's not true, then what we do, we just print that sub equal and put semicolon, and then suppose we subtract, right? And after we end our if, so just write end if, then we end our program end, simple, right? If you run this program, just go to run, continue. So sum is 15. Why? Because just checked a is 10, b is 5. So 10 greater than 5 is true. That's why it's execute this particular statement. 10 plus 5 is 15, right? And same way, if we just increase its value, suppose put 15 here. So 10 greater than 15 is false. So it will print this one. So answer should be minus 5, right? So this is the statement. Actually we are using here a conditional statement, and this is used for our relational operator greater than. Suppose we use here not equal. So not equal sign is like that, less than and greater than. So same way, if we run this code, again it's print 25, because yes, 10 not equal 15 is true. That's why it's added. 10 plus 15 is 25. Now if we put the value both at 10, so what happened? This result will be false. So in that case is 0, because 10 minus 10 is 0. If we put less than, so 10, and if we put the value suppose 18, so 10 less than 18 is true. If we run it, it sum it, and 28, 10 plus 18 is 28. So less than is there, and now if we put like that less equal, right? And if we put here the value suppose 10, So 10 less equal 10 is a true. So again it will print 10 plus 10 means 20. Yes, 20, same way. And same way if we put here greater equal, so same way 10 greater equal 10 is true because it starts from 10. So that's why again it print 10 plus 10 is 20. So that's is print 20 as a sum. And suppose for equal means checking 10 equal 10 because A and B both value is 10. So it's checked equal or not. So it's again it's true. So that's why it's print 20. Same way. And should remember this equal when you use let A equal to 10 or let B equal to 10 or let C equal to 20, these equals are the assignment operator. Means we are assigning the value. It means the right hand value is assigned within the variable in the left hand side present A, B, C respectively. But here when you use within a if, this equal is not an assignment, is a relational operator. Means compared to value is equal or not, right? So these all are the relational operator: less than, greater than, less equal, greater equal, not equal, equal, right? Now if we talk about the another operator which is logical operator, right? Now we talk about the logical operator, how we can use it. Now we can use it like that. Suppose we write A greater than B and just put in a bracket, then write and within bracket write B not equal C. So what does mean? It means A greater than B and B not equal C. If both condition is true, then whole condition will be true and execute this statement. If this any condition is false, the total condition will be false and it will go to the else part. So what happened? A greater than B, false. B not equal C, true. But still it not execute. So it will go to part the solve. So it print solve equal to 0 because 10 minus 10 is 0. Clear? Now suppose we put here equal here. So now what happened? Now A greater equal B, it's true because equal and greater, that means 10 greater equal 10, true. And B not equal C, it's also true. So that means whole condition will be true because both condition is true now. So it print the sum. So A plus B is now 20 as a sum. Clear? Now if we put OR here, so OR is another logical operator. So if we put OR, that means, and if you don't put this equal, so what happen? OR means if any condition is true, the whole condition will be true, this or that. So here this condition is what? False.
A greater than B.
It's false. There is no equal. So 10 greater than 10 is false. But B not equal to C is true. Why? B is 10. C is 20, is not equal. So that means one condition is true, that means whole condition will be true. So it print the sum part. Print is 20, right? Suppose we put here greater than, so B greater than C. Now it's a false because 10 greater than 20 is false and this is also false. So whole condition is false. That means it's go to the else part. 10 minus 10 will be 0. Print 0, right? Now another logical operator is not. Suppose we are using here and with that we are using here suppose not. Not means whatever the condition is present, it just make it false or make it true. Means if this condition is true, not true means false. If the condition is false, not false means true. So in that case what happened? We get as a result 0. Why? Just checked. A greater than B, false, right? Or don't need to check the another part because automatically this will false or true, it will total condition will be false. So now if we put equal, so now this condition is true, 10 greater equal 10 is true. Now check here, B greater than C, 10 greater than C is false, but not false means true. So both condition is true, that means it prints sum equal to 20. Clear? So I hope you have understood two different operators which is present within this QBasic programming language. One is relational operator, which is less than, greater than, less equal, greater equal, not equal, equal, and three different logical operator which is associated with the relational operator. One is AND, when both condition is true, then whole condition will be true. Another is OR, if any condition is true, then whole condition will be true. Another is not, if the condition is false, it make it true. If the condition is true, it make it false. I hope you have understood today's video. Today's video is very simple. For other two operators, one is relational operator and other is a logical operator, and also how to use this relational operator and the logical operator within the conditional statement. So this is the if then, else, end if statement we are using here, right? If you like this video, please like it, share it more. Those who are still not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Keep watching Technical Arcoin, and also write in the comment section what type of video you want to see and what topic and which type of tutorial you want to know, right? So today up to this, keep watching Technical Arcoin. Thank you and bye bye.